I wonder what's on the radio today.
Hello and welcome to Pavement Radio at 2 o'clock, the news today. SkateWine's still rubbish. Absolute rubbish, unoriginal content.
If only there was some way to actually be funny and popular and make loads of money. Wait, hang on a minute. Maybe I could look up some inspiration. How to make SkateWine funny.
My name is Aaron Cairo. Learn all of these tricks and get them all down really well.
Nah. What about the Berrics? What funny videos have these guys got that I could rip off? Ah, this one looks really funny.
Hi, I'm Ryan and I'm the new intern at the Berrics.
Oh,
My first assignment, I was interviewing.
oh, this is really good. He's interviewing Nigel, what a legend. This is brilliant. Oh my goodness, why has no one ever thought of this before? Oh, he's so awkward. There must be some way that I can rip off the Berrics, but I'll need to go back in time. If only there was some kind of time machine, like a Doctor Who time machine, near me, I would be so happy. Amazing! Now all I need is like some stupid get-up with like a Simpsons tie, like something that is ridiculous. Where on earth am I going to find one of those? Wait a second. Oh, wicked! I had one in the back of my car all along. Now all I need to do is take this back in time to previous me 5 years ago and let him know that he just needs to do stupid interviews, and then I can be rich and famous and finally popular. That would be amazing. He'll love this Simpsons tie. It's so stupid. Exterminate. Oh, you're recording. Hey, Rob from 2015. It's Rob from 2020, and you need to start doing interviews like the In Between Two Ferns or Ali G, because the Berrics did it in 2020 and it's a really good idea, and we'll do it and we'll get loads of views. Right, I'll leave you to it. 2015, Rob. I'm going back to 2020. Hello and welcome to a special edition of SkateWine. We're in Bristol for the Fix Up DIY film competition, and we have an interview. Oh man, I gotta get out of here. No one can find out about this time travel business. Oh shit. Hello? No, I won't do an interview where I have to say that Taz Papaz wasn't allowed on the ramp to do 900. No, Tony Hawk's did the 900 first. I'm not getting involved with that. No, sorry. No, I won't do an interview. Bye. I better ring George and let him know what's just happened.
Hello?
Hello, George.
Hello?
Hi, all right?
Who's this?
Well, it's SkateWine. You manage me. You're my manager.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah. You're not going to believe what's just happened.
What's just happened?
Well, I went in a time machine. I got a good idea from the Berrics. I went in a time machine.
Right.
And I went back in time. Travelled back in time. Yeah, I know.
Really?
And you're not going to believe it. And so I told previous me 5 years ago what to do.
Yep.
And so now it's just, we're going to be massive, mate.
Can't
We're going to be
wait.
massive. I'm sure that the changes have already started happening.
I can't wait. Brilliant.
All right.
Yep.
Legend.
Cool.
Yep. You did get my
Yes,
text
got your
message.
text message.
Brilliant.
Yep.
But just make sure you keep it a
I'm
secret,
gonna
George.
keep
We don't
it a
want anyone to
secret.
know about it.
Yep.
All right. Cheers, George.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
I've got to get home. I can't wait. There's going to be so many SkateWine video views. Right. Can't wait to see all these new video views. It's cold in this room, I can't tell you. Right. Come on. how many views we've got now in 2020, now that we've stolen the Berrics idea, and hopefully Rob in 2015 has completely changed the course of time. Videos. I should have... Oh, I've got... Still haven't reached 1,000 subscribers, even with stealing the Berrics idea. Right, most viewed video. It's going to be like thousands and millions and thousands of people. Okay, Copenhagen Open. 11,000 views. Flatsport magazine gets that, even with their worst views. Well, if it's not put up my overall views, then I guess I'll just have to ring up and see if I can patent sarcastic comedy. Hello? Yes, could I patent sarcastic comedy?
No.
I can't.
No.
You mean the Berrics can get away with this? They've copied me.
No.
No, I haven't gone back in time.
It's them.
Damn it. Oh well. Oh, looks like Lars Stout's ringing me.
Rob, you goddamn cook. I've seen that text message you sent to George.
What?
I always knew you were an attention-seeking whatever, but SkateWine is done. We're done. We're not friends anymore.
Lars, don't be like that. Come on, man.
Right.
Oh. How did he find out about George's text message? SkateWine's Instagram. Oh my goodness, he's put it on the flipping SkateWine story. No!
SkateWine, man. That shit you did with the time travel stuff and copying the Berrics, who the f does that? If we were not really friends before, then now, god damn, like, I have lost all of the respect for you. I hope Brexit fucking goes through and closes the borders, because I don't want to see your freaking face anymore. Oh, disgusting.
Okay, Rob. You did many videos about traveling, interview. It was funny, but you tried to copy the Berrics. This is not good idea. Please, stop to do it. I hate you, Rob.
Dude, copying Berrics, that's so stupid. I mean, we used to be friends, kind of, but now you're just a total loser, a douchebag. Just get a life, yeah?
Jesus Christ, you went back in time and you ripped off the f***ing Berrics idea, mate. You're some sort of prick. I mean, as if you couldn't get any worse. That f***ing moustache is disgusting. And that mullet, I want to grab it, twist it round and ram your f***ing head into the floor. Me, it's so hard to tolerate you. You are some sort of prick, mate. And for God's sake, get your own f***ing ideas. Grow up.
SkateWine's freaky enough without you building time machines, going back and nicking the Berrics comedy material to make your own. Bang out of order.
SkateWine, you copied the Berrics. Now you can go and play with scooter kids and stay away from me.
Rob, mate, what's all this time travelling jazz and ripping off the Berrics? Them skits ain't that cool. And you're a kook. You can't even skate. You kook.
I can't believe that SkateWine is stealing ideas from the Berrics now. It's just absolutely ridiculous. The Berrics have been around for ages, and how SkateWine can come along and think they can steal the idea of a dumbass commentator who, like, nobody likes. I mean, why would SkateWine do that? The Berrics done it. It's just dumb to think that SkateWine would think that anyone would like someone as stupid as that. Beyond me.
These colors don't run, mate. You hear me? You don't fucking rip off the Berrics. That's our shit, man. That's our shit. Time travel's blasphemous in the eyes of the Lord. You should be ashamed of yourself.
SkateWine. Never really heard of them, to be honest. I mean, the Berrics is an institution. I wouldn't even bother catting. Also, who drinks wine and skates? Like, it's always like a tinny for a session, surely.
So let me get this straight. You had access to a time machine. Of all things you could have done, you went back in time and ripped off the Berrics. The only thing worse than one Berrics is two Berrics. I got a new Instagram name for you. SkateWine ABD. I don't even know what else to say to you.
SkateWine sucks.